When I first posted on TikTok, the first couple of times that I was Muslim, I lost about 150-ish followers. I was at maybe just 100. I was at like 340, and I dropped down to like 200 followers. Alhamdulillah, I'm at 400 followers, and I checked, and most of them, majority, like 95% of them, are Muslims. And I'm so excited. God had to take out the people who weren't Muslim and replace them with Muslims, and I'm honestly glad I lost those 130 followers and that they were replaced by pure Muslims.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Thank you, sister. Thank you for coming out with this kind of a video. You see, and I am using this opportunity to advise all the content creators, everybody that is online. You see, you start being a hypocrite, doing things you are not supposed to do, pretending, putting out things that people will want to see. You are not coming on social media to speak the truth. You are not coming on social media to declare Allah, God the Creator. You are not coming to social media to show the world that this is the truth. You should follow the truth. You see, most of the time, the truths are so bitter. Are so bitter. If you are speaking the truth and you have one person following you, be grateful to Allah. Alhamdulillah. You see what this sister said now? Immediately she came out to declare, she reverted to Islam. Immediately she came out to declare that she's a Muslim, she got unfollowed. She got unfollowed. A lot of people unfollowed her. And Allah removed them. You see, He removed Allah. When you trust in Allah, believe in Allah, that He alone is sufficient alone for you, He will remove the bad people. And He will be replacing them with good people. Some people that He will be replacing them with might be even people that don't have the knowledge that you have and that are ready to learn. Allah will bring those that their heart is looking for that knowledge to come and listen to you. Allah will replace them, will quietly replace them, remove those bad ones. You know, when you read Surah Fatiha, lead us to this straight way. You understand? And the seventh said, let us not be among those that has gone astray, that Allah has put away. You see, if you are preaching the truth, if you are following the truth, the world will be rejecting you. And you see, those that will be rejecting you, Allah is removing them because they can't stand your presence. But what I see these days is people now saying, there is things that the app will be asking you to do. Set up a pool. Ask the people what subject do they want to hear. I don't partake in that. Because the kind of subject that they will want to hear, me, I will not want to deliver it. I deliver raw truth. So that is the reason why when I see people, my platform, people still following me, I have hope. I have hope that there is hope. That there's a lot of people that don't have that truth that want to know the truth. But when you see all those that say, oh, follow her, those guys that are following are the demon in flesh. They are the demon in flesh. Once you revert to Islam and say that you are a Muslim, all the demon will unfollow you. First of all, maybe to start with, you see those demons following you because they are following you because they want to distract you, they want to deceive you. But when they now notice that you are not shaking, you are sitting there, you are delivering that truth, you see, then they will start unfollowing you. But let your heart not be shaken because you were not there. Allah is making them to unfollow you because you were not there when they were discussing. You don't know what they were saying. You don't know what they are thinking. You don't know their heart. So you see something like that happening to you, be grateful to Allah because Allah got your back. My prayer on social media is for good Muslims to follow me. I don't want anything bad to follow me. It doesn't matter how long it takes for my platform to grow. I don't want anything bad following me. I don't want anything extreme following me. I want the good Muslims, genuine Muslims that felt that what I'm bringing out here, that I'm speaking the truth. That's the kind of people I'm praying for them to follow me. So when I see people dropping on following me, I don't. It's not shaking me, because that is Allah that is removing them. It's removing them, because He was there. Allah was there when they were talking. Allah was there when they were having their meeting. Allah was there when they were discussing. So He put that anger in them. And follow her. My daughter don't deserve. My slave, Chikakati don't deserve somebody like you following her. So Alhamdulillah, we are Muslims, and I am grateful to Allah. Alhamdulillah, I'm a Muslim. Alhamdulillah, and Allah gave me this wisdom. Thank you for listening. See you on my next video. Bye-bye.